Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji was born in the Shivaneri Fort in Maharashtra on 19 February 1630. He was also the great devote of Bhavani. The Shivaji became the biggest enemy of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. He was arrested in Agra Fort by Aurangzeb in 1674 and he made himself king. In late March 1680, Shivaji Maharaj fell ill and he died on 3rd April 1680 at the age of 52. On the event of Hanuman Jayanti, rumors followed his death and with Islamic people believing that he had been killed because of a curse from Jan Muhammad of Jalna. Some Marathas whispering that his second wife Soyara Bai poisoned him so that his crown might pass to her 10 years old son Rajaram. After Shivaji's death, the widowed Soyara Bai made plans with the various ministers of administration to crown her son Rajaram rather than her presumed stepson Shambhaji on 21st April 1680. Rajaram was installed on the throne. However, Shambhaji Maharaj took possession of the Raigad fort after killing the commander. On 18th June, acquired control of Raigad and formally ascended the throne on 28th July. Thank you all for lending your ears patiently for my speech. This is A. Vishwach from class 7th C signing off.
Jayanti, I stand before you to speak about one of the greatest leaders in Indian history, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Born in 1630, he was a legendary warrior, king and founder of Maratha Empire. Shivaji Maharaj is remembered as a symbol of bravery, patriotism and valor. His life and achievements inspire us this day and his legacy continues to shape the history of India. Shivaji Maharaj was born to Shahaji Bhonsle and Jijabai in the fortress town of Shivneri in Maharashtra. He was raised by his mother Jijabai, who instilled in him a love for his motherland and a sense of duty towards his people. At a young age, Shivaji Maharaj displayed remarkable skills and military acumen. He was trained in martial arts, horse riding and warfare, and he quickly became a skilled warrior. One of Shivaji Maharaj's most significant achievements was the establishment of the Maratha Empire. He built a strong and efficient administration that was based on the principles of justice, fairness and equality. He also encouraged trade and commerce, and his policies led to the economic development of his kingdom. Shivaji Maharaj was not only a great military strategist, but also a visionary leader. He was a secular ruler and respected all religions equally. Shivaji Maharaj's legacy lives to this day. He inspired many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. His teachings and principles continue to inspire young people till this day. In the end, Shivaji Maharaj was a true patriot and a visionary leader. He fought for the freedom and the dignity of his people and established a kingdom that was based on the principles of justice and equality. Let us honor his memory and strive to emulate his example in our lives. Thank you. This is P. Chandan Harsha of 7C signing off.